Your brain doesn't hate hard work. It hates feeling like hard work won't pay off. That's the part nobody tells you. You sit down to study, to build, to grind, and within minutes your brain is looking for an exit, a notification, a snack, anything, and you blame yourself. You think you're lazy, undisciplined, broken. You're not. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain is wired to protect you from wasted effort. It's called effort discounting. When your brain can't see a clear reward at the end of a task, it flags that task as a threat, not a challenge, a threat. So it pulls you away every time. This is why motivation feels impossible on the days you need it most. So what do? First, shrink the gap. Your brain resists big, vague goals. Build a business triggers effort discounting immediately, but write one paragraph doesn't. The smaller the action, the easier it is for your brain to say yes. Start there. Second, make the reward visible. Before you start any task, decide what done looks like. Not perfect, just done. A clear finish line switches your brain from threat mode to pursuit mode. Third, stop relying on feeling ready. Readiness is a feeling. Feelings follow action, not the other way around. You don't wait to feel hungry before you eat. Don't wait to feel motivated before you move. Most people spend years thinking they have a discipline problem. They don't. They have a signal problem. Their brain never gets a clear enough signal that the effort is worth it. Fix the signal. The effort gets easier. It's not about forcing yourself. It's about working with how your brain actually operates. That's it. That's the whole thing.